Hello everyone looking for a protein powder that tastes like dessert but delivers real results. Say hello to PEScience Select Protein in Chocolate Truffle, a Whey plus casein blend that's low carb, low fat, gluten-free, and undeniably craveable. On my journey to build lean muscle, every scoop counts, but so does taste. I've tried my fair share of protein powders that promised results but tasted like chalk. Then I discovered PEScience Select, and Chocolate Truffle is chef's kiss, rich, smooth, and dessert-like. Here's why I keep coming back. Whey plus casein blend uses premium milk protein isolate, 80% casein, 20% whey, naturally slow digesting, with added whey concentrate and leucine peptides. Macros per 1 scoop serving: 23 g protein, 1 g carbs, low fat, gluten-free. That means clean, lean protein, perfect for muscle growth, recovery, and even as a low-cal meal replacement. Whey triggers a rapid amino acid spike, ideal for post-workout muscle synthesis. Casein digests slower, offering a sustained release over 4 to 5 hours, helps prevent muscle breakdown. Research indicates whey plus casein blends offer greater benefits than either protein alone. It's science-backed nutrition delivered in a scoop, fast recovery now, lasting support later. Shaker demo, close-up of mixing, tasting expressions. Personally, my go-to, it's my morning shake, post-lift recovery, or late-night snack that hits my protein goals without the carbs. So, if you want a clean, craveable protein powder that strikes a perfect balance of taste and performance, PEScience Select Protein Chocolate Truffle delivers. Use the link below to try it yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.